Help Eric.
Come on, bring the basket.
Help Eric.
Come here. You gotta hold the basket.
Here, hold the basket.
Hold the basket. Hold it. Hold it.
They're babies.
Just leave it right there. Help it up, man.
Get him, love.
Look at the egg. Look at the egg.
Look at the
Look
huevos.
at the huevos. Come on. Come in. Put it in. Right there. Good. Oh.
And you guys thought it was going to be hard. I mean, easy. Yay, Jesse.
Look at there. Huevos.
Huevos.
Right there. Pick it up. Yeah.